Having trouble finding the right charging cable for your devices? We can help you with our brand new UFour 4-in-1 cable. We built this cable with all the possible ports you may need, plus a wireless charging panel for your Apple Watch. The wireless charging panel has a built-in magnet, so you will never misplace your Apple Watch. The 4-in-1 cable has 3 different ports: micro USB, Lightning, and USB-C. That means you can charge nearly any digital product on the market. With the Lightning port, the 4-in-1 cable is not just your charging cable, it is also the data transport cable. Simply plug it into your computer and transfer your files. The cable and wireless panel will generate no heat, so it's going to be perfectly safe for all your devices. The 4-in-1 cable is wrapped with tough nylon braided wire, strong and durable, and cannot be broken. It is also 4 feet long, which makes it even more convenient to charge multiple devices at the same time. It will never tangle, and it is effortless to organize and place it right in your pocket or bag, so you can carry it everywhere you go. UFour, your 4-in-1 charging on the go.